Hi, this is George at Duffells, just with a quick unboxing video run through of what you get with this kit. This is another of the new Souber tools products. This is the WMOKIT. So this is the window spreader kit. Similar to the door spreader kit, this window version again packaged really nicely in this heavy duty travel case. Very professional looking sort of system. And inside, again, as with the door spreader kit, this part here is your Scotia Guard. So this part will push onto the frame if there's any beveled edges or sort of ornate sort of fittings or profiles on the frame itself, to protect it at all times whilst working with the spreader tools. These are really good as well if there's any sort of coloured UPVC profiles, wood effect profiles, that sort of thing, to prevent any marking on the actual plastic itself. So the Scotia Guard, again a shorter version, this time for use with the window systems. This is the actual spreader tool itself. Again, similar to the full-size ones in the door kit, really nice beveled edge. It's a hardened steel spreader tool. And then this, which is called the release striker tool. So once you've got your gap, this is manipulated into the profile, can be worked along to get up against a locking point or a failed locking point, and then hit. And the design of this is so that when you do hit it, it's been designed to give you the best sort of feel and prevention of damage and the transfer of the energy into the locking point to free it up and get moving. And in practice, these really do work really well. That sort of the design of this with this curved edge there helps you work around any obstacles you might come across, any foreign objects or debris or screws or anything that are inside the gap as you're working along. As I say, in practice they really do work well. So that's the window spreader kit, or the WMO kit from Souber Tools, another in the new range.